It's a very basic tip, not too complicated. You may have already figured it out, but I think just showing you simple solutions to making things a little bit more aggressive. I just want to preface this video. I am not using screen capture software. I'm filming with my video camera, and you're getting the audio that my video camera is picking up. That's just the way we roll, and that's just the way we're going to do it. So as you can see here on the screen, I've got a basic sequence. Hopefully you can hear this. Let's just turn that up a little bit. Let's just do that. So now I'm just going to paint this clip into the pattern sequencer, and you don't see the pattern sequencer on the video screen, but I'm just doing this as an example so you can see what I'm doing in the process. So we've got in this mixer track, so this synth is the citrus. It's going into mixer channel 1. We got our sequence there, and I am actually going to, we're going to play the softer part, and then I'll turn on the wave shaper. Oops. There you go. That's how you take a very mellow part and make it very fucking heavy and fucked up. You just fuck with it. I'll show you what I did in the wave shaper. I just used a preset, and I actually used the I'll just show you here. It's the Insta Soft Square, so it literally like clips everything when you have it turned on, and it just makes it fucking crunchy and distorted and loud as fuck. And yeah, so I just thought I'd share that with you. I may share another tip on how to make your synth sound like a guitar. I may show that to you in the future, or a way of doing it so you can't tell whether it's a guitar or a synth. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you just as something that I do that kind of fucks up with the synth sounds, makes them sound more aggressive, makes the change from the mellow to aggressive like really fucking like fuck yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. If you feel this video has value, please share it with your musician buds or whoever. Maybe you're trying to start a band with an industrial band with some of your friends or whatever, so don't hesitate to show them this. Maybe you will find this tip useful. If you feel this channel has value, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.